Okay, question 1. A house has appreciated in value from £180,000 by 3.1% per year for 5 years. Find the new value of the house. Okay, so starting value is £180,000. We need to get a multiplier, so we start at 100% of the value. Now the house is at appreciated in value, so that would be plus 3.1. Now we're going to change that into a percentage by dividing by 100. So that's 103.1 divided by 100, and that is 1.031. So if the house had depreciated, we would subtract, but it hasn't, it's appreciated. So 100% plus the 3.1%, we change it into a percentage by dividing by 100, 1.031. And that happens over a period of 5 years, so we bring it to the power 5. Okay, so that will give us £209,684.26. If I was going to write that in significant figures, then that would be £210,000. Okay, next question. A soft drinks manufacturer sells bottles at 500 millilitres. Content: an empty bottle weighs 20 grams. To transport the full bottles, they are packaged in trays of 200 bottles. A supermarket orders 50 trays. And the delivery van can take a max load of 1 tonne. One litre of soft drink weighs 1 kilogram. Can the order be made with 1 van load? Okay, so first of all, let's get the weight of one bottle. So 1 litre is 1 kilogram, which means 500 millilitres would be 500 grams. The empty bottle weighs 20 grams. So one bottle would weigh then the contents 500 grams plus the weight of the bottle 520 grams. Okay, one tray can take 200 bottles. So one tray 520 multiplied by 200. Okay, so that's 104,000 grams. 50 trays then is 104,000 grams multiplied by 50, which will then give 5,200,000 grams. Okay, so I'm now going to change that to kilograms by dividing by 1,000. And that will give me 5,200 kilograms, which is 5.2 tonnes, since there are 1,000 kilograms in a tonne. So, no, the trip cannot be made with 1 load, since 5.2 tonnes is more than the limit of 1 tonne. Okay, next question. Paul goes to USA on holiday. He took $800 and spent an average of $84 a day, and it was a 7-day trip. When he returned home, he wanted to change the dollars back into pounds, and the exchange rate is 1.23, that's $1.23 for £1. So the bank would only take the money in multiples of $10. So the bank would only change multiples of $10. In pounds and pence, how much would he be changing back? Okay, well, first of all, let's find out what he spent, which was an average of $84 a day for a 7-day holiday. So that's 84 times 7, and that's $588. Okay, so from 800 he spent 588, which will then give him $212 left. So the bank will then only take $10 multiples. So that means that the bank will change $210, and that will leave 2 over, which we'll have remaining. Okay, so for $210 back to pounds. Okay, so you'll have to then divide by the exchange rate. That's 1.23. So that's 210 divided by 1.23, and that's £170 and 73 pence to the nearest penny.